Hey, what's up, everybody? I was just chiming in here to show you my levitation disc, permanent magnet. Uh, I don't know, I call it like return on the investment. Uh, so what we do here is we, you can feel the resistance slightly. Push it over one. No, I wasn't counting, but that's got to be like 15 or something. All right. Now, I usually say that's one hump. Let's do two humps. So you got to push it harder to do two humps, and that's just how it works. And this thing, I don't know, man. I think the levitation discs work better. I mean, it doesn't have a bearing, so I got to have magnets equally on both sides here. So we got two flat ceramic ferrite magnets over here and over here. They're 3.5 inches. I mean, just look at that, man. I mean, probably a lot of it is from the two hump spin, but I mean, the dissipation is definitely slower than it normally would be, I think. Because the amount of energy that I put into it actually is very little. It's just, it's just enough energy to get one magnet and a second magnet over this one or this one. So it's like the same amount of energy with a little bit of follow through. But I think the return on investment in that is pretty awesome. Uh, to like uh, quantize it, simplify it, do whatever would make it uh, work. Now we should definitely do a test without the magnets there, but if we haven't done that already. I think that's really good, though. It's the way it works. I'm going to say it like 8 times, but that's okay. It's all right. Now you see how it's bouncing up and down a little bit. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But it is kind of wobbling. This is a north-north magnet. Remove our little hair tie thingy. All right, now that's going to prevent it from wobbling that little bit. All right, now let's see. That was a nice whip. Let's see what it does here. Well, it's going to stabilize it. That obviously, because there's no bearing, is going to be a little wobbly. But you can see it like working. Now what's cool is that you can just put a little bit of pressure on that, just a little bit. You can feel the space between the magnets. But that is very strong because it's got the inner ring, as you can see it moving around in there, in the outer ring. So I can actually push down on that a little bit, and you see there's not much room there. And it won't, like, cause the thing to collide. But now I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it be. See how much time we can get on that. I think it's gonna be about 45 seconds. Because each one of these things that you add, like the magnets on the outside, the disc on the top, all to stabilize it and stuff, just adds more friction. That slows it down. All right. Well, I don't know. That was some time, though. I think I'm going to remove this. And then we got this thing. Yeah, I don't know about this though. I'm gonna have to. Oh, dude, I don't know how to. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna put this on top of that. Should be pretty neat. But I'm gonna do that in a different video. All right. Well, have a good night or good morning. Yeah, please subscribe. Have a good night. Good morning. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I know a lot of people who actually do that. All right. Peace out.